it's simple. If you can talk, you can do this practice. Sound can do a lot. It's quite a powerful modality to work with, and I've actually based my entire career off of it. Now, for today, it's going to be very simple. We're just going to start to open the voice and start to allow our voice to start to move through us in a meditative and conscious way, utilizing our voice with an intentionality to actually create transformation, create a healing, create a soothing, a release, so many things. Now, the sound that we're going to use today is just a simple one tone. And even just doing it that one time, it starts to feel good. You could feel the vibrations moving through the body, and it actually then soothes and satiates the entire internal system, all the organs. So it's an internal massage in essence, as well as an external massage, because all the bones and all the cells of the body start to vibrate and resonate. And so if you just imagine that, we then infuse an intention of the heart, of a love, of a gratitude, of a peace, of a harmony, all these amazing things then infused in that vibration that is moving every cell in our body. Whoa, you start to lean into the power of sound. Okay, so it doesn't have to be a big orchestrative symphony of sound that is in exact pitch and tune. Just let yourself go, have some fun, and enjoy.